Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Blueberry Bites. So this video is all about what I shopped from the Sleep Company. So I visited the Sleep Company a few days back and I really liked some of their items, so I just went ahead and bought them. So I'm here to show you what I got, and if they're useful you go and buy them too. But before buying, you check out all their products. Their products are really great, and if you want to adapt to new technology and have a good sleep, then you can obviously check it out. So let's see what I got. The first item I'm gonna show you is the pillow. It's a smart grid thin pillow. So this is the latest technology that they have adapted. It's a smart grid pillow. I'll just open it and show you what is inside it. Actually, to be honest, so actually they're having a lot of they're having a variety of pillows. I can put a video of what kind of pillows I have seen there. I have seen around 5 different varieties of pillows, which are used for anyone with if you want to sleep in certain position, then you need this pillow. If you want to sleep in that particular position, you need that pillow. If you are having your neck pain or something, there's some orthopedic pillow. And yeah, there are a lot of varieties in the pillows. You just need to ask them which one to use for what, and you can try and test which is working out for you. And if you someone who is sleeping like this, there is a pillow which can be used for that. So yeah, you can go and check out. And I thought this would be the best thing for me because I do work a lot laying on my bed itself. So I thought I need a pillow which can be very soft. At the same time, it should be very thin, not like a regular pillow. So I thought it's for me. And I got one more thin pillow as well for using it in the car. And there is a surprise package, guys. It's not a plan, but it's a super cool product which you will get in very less price, I can say. But it's gonna do miracles for you if you're someone who is working a lot and having body pains. Okay, I'll show the product in the end. So watch this video till the end to know what I got. So you will get to know what I first. Let's just see what is this thin pillow. I'm opening it. And the delivery date, I could say it's so quick. So for me, I ordered and then I got it in 2 days only. So I don't think delivery could be an issue. Obviously, they don't have in-store availability of the stock because the products that are used in the store might get have dust and all. So they like to keep everything in the garage or somewhere in their place. So they'll be sending from there. So you don't have to worry that you're getting some old products. So you're gonna get some new products which are, so you're gonna fresh stock than anything. Yeah, okay. And yeah, let's open. To be honest, I like this packaging. I could say it's very nice packaging. Here is a pillow, guys. Yeah, and here it is. The thin pillow I'm talking, which can be used in the car back seat, or you can just put it back off your side when you're driving. It's very thin, it's very soft, and it has that smart grid technology. So it's like that. So this pillow was this was a pillow, and I could show you like this. So this pillow was around 1999, like around 2000. So this is the pillow, guys. If you want to buy it, go to the store, try it out, and then you can buy it. And yeah, let's see the next one. This is gonna be big. Yep, here it is, guys. This is a smart relax pillow. It's a reversible pillow, so you can reverse it. So there will be some. I'll show you. Okay. I'm just opening. So it's a combo, guys. It's a combo of smart grid and 100% natural latex. So one side you will get the smart grid, and one side you will get the smart grid, and one side you're going to get the 100% natural latex. So why this pillow is so special is because I think when you're sleeping on your tummy, you usually like to hug the pillow, right? So there are some pillows which can be used only for hugging purpose when you are sleeping on the tummy side. So there are also some pillows which are like flexible in that way, but this pillow you can use for that as well, and you can also put anywhere so if you're sleeping for some time with the pillow and then later sometime you don't want the pillow, so you put it on your tummy or you put it wherever you want. So for that purpose you can use it. But for me, especially I purchased this because whenever I'm working laying on my bed, so I like the slant angle to be there, and I don't want it to be very thick or very bulged, and I wanted to have that free. I like to sleep very comfortably while working and sleeping position. So that is the reason I got this pillow. Let's open it. And again, once more, I love the packaging. The packaging is super great. Oh. Yeah, guys, this is a pillow. Okay. Yeah, here it is. I know both look similar, but no. I'll show you what's inside of it as well. Okay, this is a combination, like it's a reversible pillow. One side you will have smart grid technology, and on the other side you'll have 100% latex. And I could say a thin pillow is very softer than this, but this is very comfortable, and this is not as thin as the thin pillow, but it's slightly way more bigger and can be used when you're sleeping. I'll show you what's inside. So here it is inside of the pillow. I'll show you. So you see here there is this white color which is smart grid. So this is the smart grid side, and the other side of it's 100% latex. So this will give you any pain relief, or it will actually hit your pressure points, and it will give you that soothing comfort to sleep. So I think yeah, so this is about this pillow, and I love this. So you see, when you're sitting on your tummy, you will like to hug your pillow, right? So you can just do like this and it will go inside. Yeah, it goes inside. You will not feel like it's not getting compressed, or you will feel like you're not hugging something and sleep. So one more reason for you to buy. So go check it out. Sleep Company. I'm not doing any promotion, but it's just my genuine review. Okay, I'm not promoting anything, but it's just my genuine review, and I'm so happy with my purchase. So I thought, why not share it here? And now, our surprise package. I'm super excited to share with you guys that I have got this, body massager. It's a multi-purpose body massager. You don't have to do anything. You just have to sit on it and don't put all the pressure on it. You just can be laying on it wherever you are having any body pains. You just can lay on it, not putting like too much pressure on it, but medium pressure you can put, and it will give you the massage, like proper massage. If you're someone who is dealing with back pain, if you're someone who is dealing with body pains or any part of your body, I think it's gonna be working out for you guys. So it's open. And again, I love the packaging. Ouch. It's chargeable, guys. You just have to charge it and use it. So they get the charger. And here is our surprise package. So if you see, it looks like a pillow, right? But it has got some massagers inside it. So all you have to do is turn it on, and it gets turned on. You see, it's in red color, right? So all you have to do is, wherever you're having pain, you just have to place your body or hand or anywhere, any part of your body on it. Don't give them much pressure, just lay on it like with a medium pressure, so you can feel the massage. So all you have to do is just place it like that, and trust me, it's gonna do wonders. Okay, you can just sit on it, but don't put all the pressure when you sit. But yeah, for the back pain, you can just put it on the you can just sit on the chair and then put it in the backwards and just lay like this, and it's gonna give you all the massage where exactly you need. So this is the product, guys. I'm so happy that I'm having this. And if you're someone who is dealing with such issues, I think you should go and buy it. Okay, so these are the products that I got from Sleep Company. So these are the products I got from Sleep Company. If you like this video, I know some of the products might be useful for you also. So if you like this video, genuinely comment down what you like and what you don't like. And I would like to know whatever you're feeling. And if you think this video is useful for you guys, I would want you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today, guys, and I'm super happy that I got to share all these details with you guys. I'll meet you in the next video. So until then, it's me, Blueberry, signing off. Bye bye.